Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Welcome to the lovely and vibrant city of Lyon, where we have our 2018 Value Provider Conference of ABB Robotics.
The event has so far been an exceptional meeting, I have to say. We have had so many good customers and value providers coming here, and the market segment is so positive. As the market is becoming bigger, we will need the help from all the value providers to reach every part of the market. And I think we all think this is going to just continue to grow.
What you see in the presentations, you don't only should think about the business for today, but also what will be the business in a couple of years. And you have to now take steps to be prepared for the coming years. I think the future is bright for automation.
Since the last 2-3 years, there's really a hype in digitalization. In ABB, we started actually quite early, connecting robots to the cloud. And we have over now 750 different plants connected worldwide. So I think we have a leading position in that field. And the idea is that from collecting also data to really how do we develop robots in the future, but also how do we improve the production efficiency of our customers.
It is interesting for value provider to see where is ABB wanted to go, what are you developing in future. There were a lot of things just to open your eyes, open your horizon. I got some new ideas.
The 2017 winner for the most innovative solution is Persico.
That project was a real effort, a real challenge. So being recognized in a situation like this is for us for sure a font of pleasure, and we were really glad to receive these awards.
To summarize this event, I would say trust, confianza in Spanish.
Mahdollisuudet.
Harika.
Partnership.
Wertvoll.
Highlight.
Enlightening.
Interessant.
Privilege.
Futuro.
Idéer.
Futur.
Digitalisering.
Gemeinsam.
Samarbete.
Insieme.
Netwerken.
Energigivande.
Fantastisk.